Hey everyone, in today's video, I will show you a quick and easy way to copy text from any image using just Google Drive and Google Docs. You are going to love how simple this is. So the first step is you start by uploading the image containing the text you want to copy to your Google Drive. So I have a image already on my system. I've uploaded it on my Google Drive. This is the image. As you can see, it has some text inside of it. So once you have uploaded once the upload is complete, you want to right click. On the image and select open with, and then choose Google Docs. The image is opening on Google Docs. So when the image opens in Google Doc, when you scroll down past the image, voila, the text from the image will be automatically extracted and displayed from here. So you can copy the text. As you can see. You can copy the text and use it however you like. Cool, right? It's such a handy trick, and I bet many of you didn't know about it until now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And stay tuned for more exciting tips and tricks on this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.